Here at the 2026 Florida RV Super Show, there is a travel trailer here that is definitely next level luxury. What is this?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the Bowlus Endless Highways, 27 feet long with an incredibly lightweight GVWR of 4,400 pounds, so towable by a huge variety of tow vehicles.
Absolutely.
Lightweight, aerodynamic, it's got that beautiful aircraft grade skin, aircraft grade rivets, and then we're big into off-grid, so you have a 19 kilowatt hour lithium iron phosphate battery bank as well as 400 watts of solar on the roof. And so together with the Bowlus Fit and Finish, this is, the best looking RV at the show, obviously in my opinion, but I appreciate you saying that and happy to show you the features today.
Yeah. Now, when you say it's boondocking ready, what are their tank sizes on something like this?
Yeah, absolutely. So we first of all have a cassette toilet system, which is better for boondocking because it means you can drop it in a toilet, porta potty, or of course the sewer clean out, but it gives you that flexibility when you're off-grid camping. That's a 4.5 gallon. We also have a 30 gallon freshwater tank, 30 gallon gray water tank, and in the Endless Highways you also have the option for 20 gallons additional on the portable for a total of 50 gallons of fresh.
Amazing. Let's, I see something right here. What is this?
Yeah, so this is going to be the outside table, and it also goes inside on the sofa side. So you have that flexibility to dine for inside or set up this table outside.
That's amazing. Speaking of the inside, let's go check it out.
So we have a very low tongue weight, which means I can actually move the Bowlus around by hand. So, if you look us up on YouTube, you'll see videos of me just rolling this around. You'll also notice no weight equalization hitches. That's because the Bowlus is balanced. So all you're gonna need is that 2-inch ball, of course, a vehicle that can tow the 4,400 pounds, safety cables, breakaway chains, and you're good to go. You'll notice we have a propane tank on the front. The only appliance that is powered by propane is our hydronic heating system, and that's a 4-season system. So you can take your Bowlus into the winter, fully camping. We have lots of customers in the dead of winter in Vermont, mountain places in Colorado that are using their Bowlus in all 4 seasons, and the propane is for that winter camping. Hydronic heater also works off of electric. Step also flips up for additional clearance. We've got that beautiful screen door on the front, all brass screens. We don't use any fabric screens. Commercial grade locks, which are very unique for the RV industry. And then let's head on inside.
Yeah, I absolutely love this front porch space where you can walk in, enter into the front.
Yeah, and so you have that making it really easy to load in gear. You have our lashing system here as well, so you can load in bikes, paddle boards, surfboards, all of that. You're standing in our galley right now. We have the 2-burner hydronic heating system, lots of storage. We have that drawer fridge as well. Convection oven, convection microwave, air fryer, 3-in-1, more storage. This Bowlus has integrated Starlink, which is an option, which means it's integrated into the roof, but that's the internal router component, which is great for when you're on the road.
Especially when boondocking.
Especially when boondocking. So now we're in the living room. Both of these do convert into twin beds. We've got the windows all at eye level that open with those brass screens. We have a blind in the skylight on this side, which is showcasing what it would look like.
This is really neat. So this is basically a latch that drops down or that folds up, and then you can take this panel out and it gives you this nice, it's almost like a skylight.
Exactly. So you've got skylights on either side, really open, really airy, great cross ventilation. You also have 5 vents that are right down the highest point. And so really great ventilation inside a Bowlus, even without the air conditioning. We also do have the air conditioning that runs off the battery, which is also great for boondocking because when you're off-grid, there's still some situations where you might want that AC, and that keeps it comfortable. Television, light switches here, overhead light is all dimmable.
Very nice light switches. I love how modern they are. Been noticing that a lot in some of these higher end RVs, that the light switches, some of the cabinet doors are more of these rounded buttons that you push and it opens, or it turns the lights on. Very nice.
And then you've got all the storage down below too, so it feels nice and open.
Very nice. And soft close as well?
Soft close as well. The Bowlus has a feature called Aero Move, which means you can move your Bowlus forward, back, and in a circle using a handheld remote.
Special thanks to today's sponsor of the video, Liquefied. This right here is Liquefied, and I've been RVing for over 15 years, and this is hands down the best RV toilet treatment in the industry. It is not a chemical, it's made with enzymes and bacteria which help break down your waste and prevent odors, and it even cleans your sensors. It's made in America, and it comes in this container, which makes it super easy to use because it measures out 1 ounce, which is all you need to clean a 40-gallon tank. You can get the 32-ounce bottle of Liquefied in orange scent and lavender, as well as their RV toilet treatment pods and gray tank treatment, and so much more on their website. You can find Liquefied at liquefiedrv.com, and if you use the discount code here on the screen, you can receive 15% off. Thanks to Liquefied for sponsoring today's video.
The bathroom's gonna open by opening both of these doors at the same time, so I'll open this one for you and open up that one after.
So definitely a lot of space back here, and then this other one opens up to reveal the toilet.
And then vanity here, more storage here, so you've got 2 closets.
Very nice, and I like that this one has a mirror.
And then in the back you have that bedroom. This Frontier Edition has the 2-tone wood, the birch with the walnut, which is really beautiful. We have the king bed set up right now, but this also is convertible into 2 twin beds in the bedroom if you prefer that.
Now, is this a true king bed with the rounded?
So it's a true king in width and length, but obviously it is tapered because we don't have a square. We have that beautiful tapered tail.
All right. There is definitely a lot of great features about this RV. The quality is outstanding. I mean, the coloring, just the designs, the fabrics, the wood, everything's really great. And they definitely packed quite a bit in to a travel trailer this small. I like it. The outside design of this RV is definitely really nice. What's cool is that even though it's very lightweight and modern, they do give you a backup camera here on the back.
So the Bowlus has a feature called Aero Move, which means you can move your Bowlus forward, back, and in a circle using a handheld remote, which enables you to get into campsites really easily, backup places maybe that are tight or right next to your home where you actually wouldn't even be able to maneuver a tow vehicle, or hitch up really easily too. So I'll just demo it going forward and back now.
That right there is definitely a really impressive feature, and it's very useful for a lot of those tight spots you're trying to get in. Thanks for showing me that, and thank you for touring this RV with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the road.